Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make MURMURA NAMKEEN or kadle puri, which is puffed rice in English. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. So first, in a pan put oil. Now add mustard seeds, peanuts, garlic paste, Asafoetida or hing and mix it. Now add dried red chilli, curry leaves, sugar, turmeric powder and mix it. Now we add murmure or puffed rice. You can dry roast the puffed rice beforehand if you want. Mix it. And now add coriander powder, salt and mix it again. Let it cool down and then you can store it in an airtight container. Voila! MURMURA NAMKEEN is ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.